So most clothing brands don't fail because of bad designs. They fail because no one tells them the truth about manufacturing. I have seen this happen many a times. If you're building a clothing brand, be it streetwear, direct to customer, or sustainable, this channel can save you a lot of money. My name is Rakesh. I have worked with more than 50 clothing brands in my career of 40 years, providing my expertise for their sourcing, tech packs, sampling, and production. And today, I want to explain why am I starting this channel. Fashion looks glamorous on social media, but in reality, behind the scenes, things are different. Not that founders are careless, they are not, but they are misinformed. There are gaps, like manufacturers assume you already know everything. Designers don't understand garment construction and production. And most online advice, that's very shallow. I have seen good brands quietly shut down, and not because they lacked creativity, but because they didn't have clarity. So there are three major expectations which often don't get met. And the first expectation is that once you find a manufacturer, things will work out. No, a weak process with a good factory still fails. Sampling fails because tech packs are unclear. Costs rise because calculations don't include all expenses. Timelines break because it's not aligned realistically. And second expectation is that low MOQ means low risk. No, in reality, low MOQ often means higher cost per unit, inconsistent quality, and low factory priority. So the risk shows up later, where it shows up in cash flow. And the third expectation is that sustainable fashion is safe. Well, sustainability matters, but it is not a business model. Without cost control and production planning, eco-friendly brands fail even faster. Now, what this channel will teach? This channel is not about motivation. It's about establishing right systems. Here, I'll open the truth about why tech packs fail, how manufacturers actually think, what's real cost of garment, why sampling goes wrong, and how brands lose money silently. Everything I share here comes from factory floors, not from theory. If you are building a clothing brand and want fewer mistakes, subscribe now. In the next video, I'll explain why most clothing brands fail in the first year, even when sales look good. See you there.